What is a determinant? How do you define a determinant? Determinant is a value assigned to a square matrix. Now you're going to learn another term today that is called rank. The rank of a matrix, a non-negative integer associated with, you're going to associate with a matrix. Here we say matrix, we didn't say square matrix. Okay, here determinant is only for a square matrix. Here it is a matrix, non-negative integer, which is we are going to associate with any matrix. You need not be a square matrix. So when you say non-negative integer, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, like that. Okay, so depending on the order of the matrix. So rank of a matrix, we are going to learn today how to find the rank of a matrix. So it is nothing but we are going to associate a non-negative integer to a matrix. Rank is denoted, suppose the matrix is A. The matrix is A. We are going to associate rank to the matrix A. So rank of A is denoted by row. This is a Greek alphabet row. So whenever you see this Greek alphabet, that means rank of the matrix. You know, for a determinant, whenever it is a determinant, you put vertical lines, isn't it? Vertical line. That means the determinant of the matrix A, or sometimes it just written as delta. Delta also denotes the determinant value. So for a rank we use this sign, row. So rank of A is denoted by this alphabet, Greek alphabet row. So this is rank of A. Now what is rank of A? The rank of A is the order of the definition. I'll just first write the definition, then I'll explain. The rank of a matrix is the order of, you know what is the order of, you should know what is the order of a matrix, and you should know what is a minor of a matrix, and you should know the largest non-zero minor, how to find the largest non-zero minor. These three things you should know. What is the order of a matrix? You already learned how to find the order of a matrix, and also you know what is a minor of a matrix. Matrix A is 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the order? It is a square matrix. It need not be a square matrix. What is the order of A? What is the order of this matrix? Can you tell me? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So the order of A is 2 by 2 matrix. So that you know the order. Now the largest non-zero minor. So we are going to find the minor. So minor here, the largest minor is the matrix itself, the square matrix, the matrix A itself. The minor is this 2, 3, 4, 5 is a minor. Minor should be a square matrix. Okay, minor is a square matrix. So here the largest minor is this matrix itself, 2, 3, 4, 5. The largest square matrix that you can take it from that matrix A. So here that matrix itself. So what is the value of this? We are going to find whether it is non-zero. So let us find the value of this, that also you know. So you know to find the order, you know to find the minor, and you know to find the determinant. All these you have learned. You know to find the determinant value also. So what is the value? 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. This is not equal to 0, right? So this is called as a non-zero minor. This is a non-zero minor, and this is the largest. In this matrix we cannot find a matrix of order more than 2. Maximum we can find is this. So this is a non-zero minor of largest order. It's a non-zero minor. We are getting non-zero. So the rank of this matrix is, the order of the, what is the order of this non-zero minor? What is the order of this? Is also 2, right? The 2 by 2. So rank of A we write as 2. We won't write 2 by 2, just 2. So we have to find the largest non-zero minor. Then the order of that is the rank. If the order is 2, the rank of A will be less than or equal to 2. It will not cross 2. Either you get 2 or you will get 1 or 0. 0 you will get if all the entries are 0. If all the entries, if you have 0 everywhere, then we say the rank is 0. Otherwise it will be 1, 2 or maximum 3, because you have only up to 3 by 3. So this is the rank of the matrix. So rank of this matrix is 2. So how do you find the rank of a matrix? We have to find the largest minor, then check the value of that. If it is not equal to 0, that order will be the rank. I'll give you another example. -5, -7, 5, 7. What is the order of this matrix? It is again the order of this matrix. You just give a name A. The order of A is 2, that you know. 2 by 2. The order of A is 2 by 2. So the rank will be, as I told you, rank will be less than or equal to 2. It will not cross this 2. So how do you find whether the rank is 2? So you take the full determinant. You take the full matrix, that is the largest minor that you can take. The definition says take the largest minor. So the largest minor is the maximum, that is the full matrix itself. So you just take that -5, -7, 5, 7. Find the determinant of this. -35 minus, then 1 minus 35. Cross multiply. -5 into 7, -35 minus -35. So it is equal to -35 plus 35, that is equal to 0. So what did you get here? Is it a non-zero minor? What is the definition? The definition says it should be a non-zero minor. Is this a non-zero minor? Is it a non-zero minor? What is the value here? No, it is a 0 minor, isn't it? It is a 0 minor. So if it is a 0 minor, then we cannot say the rank is 2. You understood? The order is, that is, rank is not equal to 2. When you get equal to 0, rank is not equal to that order. Rank is not 2 now. So if the rank is not 2, you should check. Now see, I told you the rank will be less than or equal to 2. So either it will be 2 or 1. It will not go beyond 2. Either you get 2, 1 or you will get 0. So if it is not 2 now, because we got a 0 minor for a 2 by 2 minor. So you have to check if it is 1. It is not 0 also. Rank is not 0. I told you the rank will be 0 only if you have all entries 0. If you have 0, 0, 0, 0. If it is a 0 matrix, only then we say the rank is 0. So the rank is 1 because at least one non-zero element you are able to find. There are 4 non-zero elements actually. If there is at least one non-zero element, then we say the rank is 1. So rank here is 1. Why the rank is 1? In this matrix we are able to find non-zero elements. See, -5, 1, at least one non-zero element is there. That is enough. So we can say the rank is 1. So the first question is, find the rank of the following matrices. So the first one, we are going to find the rank of 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So first what you should do, you have to find the order of this matrix. Okay, give a name. You can give a name here. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Got it? So the rank will be, the rank of this matrix will be less than or equal to 2. What do you mean by less than or equal to 2? It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. It is very clear it is not 0, because I told you the rank is 0 only if it is a 0 matrix. So this is not 0. Either it will be 1 or it will be 2. So first we have to check for 2. So what we should do, we have to take the largest non-zero minor. So let us take the minor matrix A itself and find its value. So it is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is it equal to? 40 minus 42. Minus 2. Minus 2 is not equal to 0. So that means we got the non-zero minor, right? This is a non-zero minor. So what is the rank? When it is a non-zero minor, we can just stop here and we can say the rank is equal to what? What is the rank now? What is the order of this non-zero minor? It is 2 by 2. So rank is 2. So the rank of this matrix is 2. What you should do here? What is the first step? Very good. We have to find the order of the matrix. What is the order? It is a 2 by 2 matrix. So what will be the rank? What will be the rank now? Less than or equal to, we haven't found the rank, but we know it will be less than or equal to 2. It can be either 2 or 1 or 0. It is not 0, it's very clear. Why it is not 0? Every element is 0. That means if it is a 0 matrix, you have learned about matrices, you know what is a 0 matrix. If all the entries are 0, then only we say it is a 0 matrix. In that case, we say the rank is 0. Okay. So we have to check whether rank is 2 or it is 1. So first let us take the determinant, the 2 by 2 minor itself. So 1 minus 1, 3, 6. So what is that equal to? 6 minus 3. So what is that equal to? 9. So it is not equal to 0, right? It's minus 6, I think. In the textbook, the question is 1 minus 1, 3 minus 6. Yeah, now tell me, minus 6 minus 3. So this will become now minus 6 plus 3. What is that equal to? Minus 3 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means we have got a non-zero minor. It is a non-zero minor. So what is the rank? You can just stop here. The rank of this matrix is, what is the order of this non-zero minor? It is a 2 by 2 minor. So rank is 2. The third one, 1, 4, 2, 8. First find the order of the matrix. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. So rank of A will be less than or equal to 2. It is not 0, you know that, because it is not a 0 matrix. So it is, we have to check whether it is 2 or 1. So take the determinant of this minor, that is 1, 4, 2, 8. So 1, 4, 2, 8 is multiply 8. 8 minus is 0 we are getting. It is a 0 minor, isn't it? We took the largest minor. The largest minor is a 0 minor. If it is 0, then the rank is not 2. Rank of A is not equal to 2, because the 2 by 2 minor is giving you 0 as the answer. So what is the rank? It is not 0. So what is the rank now? The rank of A is 1. It is not 2. So it is 1. Because we can find a non-zero element here. 1 is there, 4. So many, all the elements are non-zero actually. At least one non-zero element if you can find, we can just write the rank is. So this is the next question. 2 minus 1, 1. 3, 1 minus 5, 1, 1, 1. So what is the order of this matrix? What is the order here? It is 3 by 3 matrix. The order is 3 by 3. So the rank is less than or equal to 3. Can be maximum 3. Can be maximum 3, or it can be 2, or it can be 1. It is not 0 again. It is not a 0 matrix. So it will be 3, 2, 1. So what you should do is, you have to take the largest non-zero minor. So largest here is the full matrix itself. So matrix A, find the largest minor. So that full matrix itself we are taking 2 minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 5, 1, 1, 1. So let us find the value of this. So this is 2 into 1. You know how to find, right? Cross multiply. Just cut this row, cut this column. So 1 minus of minus 5. Then minus, the second element is in the negative place. So you have to put a minus sign here. Minus of minus 1. This will become plus. This is in the odd place. You have to put a minus sign. So minus of minus 1, it will become plus. So it will become 3, cut this row, cut this column. So 3 minus of minus 5 will become plus 5. plus 1 into 3 minus 1. So what is this equal to? 2. 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 3 plus 5, 8, plus 3 minus 1, 2. So that is 12 plus 10, 22 is not equal to 0. So if it is not equal to 0, what do you say? That means we got a non-zero minor, right? It is not equal to 0. This is a non-zero minor. So what is the order of the non-zero minor? That is a rank. What is the order here? The order is 3 by 3. So you write the rank is 3. The order, you take the order 3 by 3 means write 3. Don't write 3 by 3 as the rank. Order, when you write 3 by 3. When you write the rank, you just write 3. That number 3. You understood why it is 3? Because it is a non-zero minor and the order of the non-zero minor is 3 by 3. So we just write the rank as 3. The order of this matrix A, order of A is 3 by 3. So rank is less than or equal to 3. So let us check first if it is 3. So take a determinant of this, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. So it is equal to minus 1 into multiply 12 minus 16. And here you have to put a minus sign. So minus 2 into minus 16 minus 8 will become plus 8. Minus 2 into 16 minus, so that is the rank. That means rank is, can you say the rank is 3 now? It is a 0 minor. So the rank is not equal to 3. Now we have to check whether rank is 2. So what we should do, you have to take a 2 by 2 minor. Can you tell me a 2 by 2 minor from here? Minus of this plus 6. So it will become minus 6. 4 plus 16 minus 20, that is equal to 0. There are so many 2 by 2 minors. 3 by 3 there is only 1, the full matrix. 2 by 2, if you see this, minus 1, 2, 4, minus 3 is a 2 by 2 minor. What about this? 2, minus 2, minus 3, 4. It is a 2 by 2 minor. What about this? 4, minus 3, minus 2, 4 is a 2 by 2 minor. Minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4 is a 2 by 2 minor. And then if you take this, the minor of 2, cut this row, cut this column. See, cut this row and cut this column. What is the minor of 2? 4, 4, minus 2, minus 4. What is the minor of this element minus 3? How do you find the minor? Cut this row, cut this column. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. 2 by 2 minor, around 9, 2 by 2. Every element will have a minor. So there are 9 2 by 2 minors. So we have to check whether it is becoming non-zero. If it becomes 0, then you cannot just say the rank is not 2. You have to check all the minors. If you are lucky, the first one itself you will get non-zero. If you get non-zero, you can just stop there. And I am going to check whether it is 0. If it is 0, you have to check the next minor. If it is non-zero, you can just stop there. So I am going to take a 2 by 2 minor. The first minor I am taking. Minus 1, 2, 4, minus 3. I am taking the first 2 by 2 minor. I am just checking. So let us check this. That will become 3 minus 8. That is equal to minus 5 non-zero. We got a non-zero minor. When you get a non-zero minor, one non-zero minor if you get, you can just stop there and you can say the rank is the order of that non-zero minor. The order is 2 by 2. So the rank is 2. If it is 0, then you have to check for the next minor. All the 9 minors you have to check. Each element will have a minor. Minus 1, the minor is this. For 2, the minor is this. For minus 2, like this. So you have 9 minors. You have to check for each and everything. Once you get non-zero, you can just stop there. Here I got a non-zero minor. So I just stop here and I write rank is 2. Because it is a 2 by 2 minor which gives you non-zero. Got it? So this is how you find the rank of a matrix. Now suppose if it is, what is the order of this matrix? 2 rows, no? By 4, right? So the rank will be, the minimum rank will be less than or equal to 2. Leave this maximum 2 by 4, 2 rows and 4 columns. So maximum number is columns. So leave that columns. Just take the minimum of this. So rank will be less than or equal to 2. So we have to take a 2 by 2 minor and check. So take a 2 by 2 minor, any 2 by, see for this, so you have so many 2 by 2 minors. 3, this is one 2 by 2 minor. The next one. So the next one. And the first and this and this. This is a 2 by 2 minor. This, so many 2 by 2 minors are there. So let us take one 2 by 2 minor and check. I am taking the first one. 3, 4, 1, 2. So it is 6 minus 4, 2, not 0. So I can just write the rank is 2. Okay. If it is 0, then I have to take the next one. Again, if it becomes 0, I have to choose the next minor. So it will be tedious. So we have another method. This is called determinant method to find the rank. The next class you will be learning another method to find the rank. That is called as the echelon form. We will be learning in the next class.